Hi, Anthony Domino. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my website is howtoentrepreneur.org, and my mission is to help you grow a business from idea to enterprise. So if you or someone you know wants to start or grow a business, definitely stop by howtoentrepreneur.org. I have a free course there that's a business framework to help you grow a business from idea to enterprise. So today I want to talk to you about Yalber. And I'll be answering the question, could royalty-based financing work for your business? So I'm hoping to give you enough information to help you make that decision. So if you're looking for a thorough Yalber review, then you're in the right place. So as much as we might hate the whole adage, it takes money to make money, there's some truth to it. If you've ever watched shows like Shark Tank, you see several entrepreneurs who share their business ideas in hopes for an investor to give them money. They need money for inventory, payroll, manufacturing, to cover orders, or some other business expense, and that's perfectly normal. Every business will need an infusion at some time or another, maybe from a job, from sales, or from an external source. The catch to financing deals like what the sharks offer on Shark Tank is that you get the money in exchange for a percentage of ownership in your business. Giving up ownership may not be bad for some people because they feel the mentorship is worthwhile, but equity share agreements don't work for everyone. Some common reasons equity share agreements don't work is because you lose control, you may or may not get the level of mentorship you expected, and they don't end unless you buy the other one out. So you become partners, and it can be for a long time or maybe even forever until the business is sold. So there are many small business financing options. Despite the cons, equity agreements are getting lots of media attention, and many entrepreneurs don't realize other opportunities exist. Nowadays, there are several small business financing options, including bootstrapping, which is my favorite, bank loans, borrowing from family and friends, equity share agreements, peer-to-peer lending, alternative lending through companies like Cabbage, and there's royalty-based lending. Yalber offers one very promising business financing solution, and in this Yalber review, I will tell you what it is, how it works, pros and cons, what it does well and what it does not, what others are saying, both good and bad, and my recommendation. Then I'll also give you some alternatives in case you want to do some comparison shopping. So if you decide at any point that you want to just skip the remainder of the video and check out Yalber, I'll leave a link in the description box below where you'll be able to get to this article, and definitely use the links inside of the article. It helps to support How to Entrepreneur and our mission here. So what is Yalber? Yalber is a royalty-based lender. They give money to business owners without credit checks and without collateral in exchange for a royalty percentage of the sales until their money is back. They are a performance-based lender that's funded 12,000 plus businesses, totaling $300 million invested since their inception. So unlike the banks who only invest in businesses who have been around for 2 or more years, those entrepreneurs who have outstanding personal credit or those who have very established financials, Yalber is willing to bear more risk. They invest in small businesses, startups, and those who don't fit the criteria for the banks. They approve businesses based on their performance, the sales, and the potential to repay the loan with a royalty. Then once they've seen the potential, they allow borrowers to agree to pay back through a percentage of sales until the entire balance is paid in full. So how to get started with Yalber? To get started with Yalber, you complete the online application. You complete a brief online application that gives Yalber a glimpse at your business health. Then you submit documents that show the performance of your business. They want to see the last 3 months of business bank statements. And then you wait 24 hours for approval or disapproval. So you get approval and money in your bank account the same day. So here's a video that kind of shows how Yalber works, and it's actually made by the company. So I definitely recommend you checking it out. Again, the link will be in the description box to this article, so you can stop by and check out all the resources included. So who is Yalber for? Yalber is for businesses who need a cash infusion. It's for those who are having trouble financing their business solely through sales, earned income, or gifted means. It's for those who are confident their sales will be steady enough to repay a royalty with enough cushion to maintain stability in the business. And Yalber doesn't offer much tools and training. They have a blog with articles for small business owners, but not specific to business financing like what you'd expect. As far as Yalber support, Yalber offers live chat, phone support, and email support to customers and potential customers. So what does Yalber do well? They provide quick approval results. They give loans based on business performance. They take risks on businesses that wouldn't otherwise stand a chance. They have many reviews of satisfied customers. They give money when that can be used for any business purpose. They don't require collateral. They give reasonable interest rates in comparison to similar loan companies that bear the same risk. And they lend between $5,000 and $500,000. So what doesn't Yalber do well? They only offer royalty-based financing. So if you're looking for another financing type, you have to look at other lenders. Their interest rates are typically higher than traditional bank loans. They don't fund businesses with a gross income of less than $7,000 per month, and they don't have a ballpark estimate for interest and fees on their website. So if you're looking for Yalber interest rates or something like that, you won't find a ballpark like that on their website. So I have a roundup of different reviews of entrepreneurs who have tried out the Yalber service for you to check out. So there's an Amazon business, there's a Cuban restaurant, there's a catering business, and there's a Chinese restaurant. So these are all industries that typically have trouble getting access to capital through bank loans or other means. So you can stop by and check out these reviews so you can hear the experiences of these customers who have worked with Yalber. And so common positive feedback, like after listening to the reviews and stopping by different third-party review sites to read the reviews, here's some common things that I heard from customers. They said they provided money when others wouldn't. They weren't concerned about personal credit. The money arrived quickly, and the approval was fast. So those are really good things to really good things that most people are looking for when they're looking for business financing. And as far as common negative feedback, there's actually no negative reviews of Yalber online. So after they've invested $300 million in businesses, it's a surprise to find no reviews, but I wasn't able to find any negative reviews. If you have an experience with Yalber, whether they're positive or negative, please leave that in the comment section below so other people who are considering giving them a try can have a realistic perspective of what to expect. Also, if you don't leave the comment here on YouTube, you can also stop by How to Entrepreneur and leave it on the post in the comment section. So either of those options would work great, and I really appreciate helping people to make an accurate and informed decision on whether or not this is a good service for them. So thanks in advance for that. So the most helpful positive Yalber review that I was able to find, they have 27 reviews on Trustpilot, and 100% of them are 5 stars. So here's one of the reviews that I was able to find and read, and I thought it was helpful. They said, no hassle loan, would definitely recommend. No hassle loan, the guys at Yalber made it super easy and worked hard to come up with a good solution for my business. Love the early payoff option. I was able to pay my balance early and was happy not to have a penalty, as is standard with the majority of business loans. Would definitely recommend if you're in need of business cash flow in a pinch. So that's really awesome. For the most helpful negative Yalber review, every business has a good and a bad side, but like I said, I wasn't able to find any negative reviews. So I don't have anything to say when it comes to constructive feedback, which is actually really awesome that they don't have anything like that, but there's always room for improvement. So if you have any experience and you want to help other people make the decision, then definitely leave your comments in the comment section below. As far as the Yalber price, Yalber pools their interest, fees, and loan repayment as a percentage of gross sales. The repayment amount stays the same until the loan is repaid in full. You can always pay up front, as you heard the customer say. They were able to pay without a penalty, so that is something that Yalber offers. As far as my final opinion of Yalber, while I don't recommend debt unless you're in dire need, Yalber is one good option if you need working capital for your business. Some situations require entrepreneurs to have cash infused from outside, risk their reputation, or shut down completely. So if you find yourself in a situation where you need additional cash, whether you got a spurt of sales, whether you got a large order and you're not able to come up with the inventory, whatever the situation is that you find yourself in that pinch, definitely give Yalber a try. So like I said, the links will be in the description box below where you can get access to this article, and also I'll leave a link in the description box below where you can try Yalber for yourself. As far as some top alternatives, if Yalber isn't a good option for you, then you might want to take a look at Kabbage. Kabbage provides a business line of credit, and I have a review at How to Entrepreneur that you can check out. So if you follow the link to this article, you'll be able to have access to all of these resources and check out my full review with the pros and cons. I plan to do a video on it as well, so you can stop back by the channel and expect to see a review on that. So just to recap, the pros are that the payments are performance-based, a percentage of sales, there's 24-hour approval and immediate access to cash, 100% positive reviews online, no collateral required, bad credit or no credit isn't a problem. As far as the cons, higher interest rates than bank loans for those with good credit. You have to have $7,000 or more per month in gross revenue, and they don't give a ballpark estimate of interest and fees on the website, so that's something you'll have to ask about. But if you're interested in getting started with Yalber, you can just take this button and get started with your application. So that's all I have for this video. Hopefully it was helpful for you. If it was, please give a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more videos like this where I give product reviews, buyer's guides, growth strategies, and different things that help you grow your business from idea to enterprise, definitely subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of upcoming videos. Also, if you are starting or growing a business, stop by and check out my free course to help you grow your business from idea to enterprise. It's right here at howtoentrepreneur.org. So that's all I have for this video, and I really hope to see you in the next one. Bye.